Now we're going to look at question number 2. Question number 2, we've got the volume of acid that we needed to neutralise an alkali. And here we have 4 results. Now it's important that we identify any anomalies if there are any. So here we have 24.2, 25.6, 24.4 and 24.1 centimetres cubed. Now here we can see that this one, our 25.6, is an anomaly. So what we're going to do is we're going to circle that anomaly and then we're going to ignore it when we calculate our uncertainty and mean. So the first thing I do is I calculate my mean. So now I'm going to add up all the ones that I am including in this. So this is avoiding that anomaly. So 24.2 plus 24.4 plus 24.1. I then add up the results that I am using, and I have 3 of them. So I'm going to divide it by 3. And then I'm going to type that into a calculator. And when I've done that, I get a mean of 24.23. Now it's important that my mean answer is to the same number of significant figures as the results were. So here all my results were to 3 significant figures. And my answer right now is to 4 significant figures. So I need to make this into 3. So I'm going to do that by removing that and rounding down. Then I now have my mean to the right number of significant figures, and I'm now going to work out my range between my mean and my top number, or my highest number, avoiding my anomaly. So I'm going to use the next highest, which was 24.4. And when I do 24.4 divided by 24.2, I get an answer of, I've run out of slide space, so I'm just going to write it underneath, plus 0.2. And then I'm going to look at the bottom, the smallest number, which is 24.1, and I'm going to do 24.1 minus 24.2 gives me an answer of minus 0.1. Now I have different numbers this time, so I need to take the biggest number. So not looking at the signs, just the number that is bigger. So 0.1 or 0.2. 0.2 is the biggest number, so that means that all my results will lie within 0.2 of my mean. So to write my uncertainty, I take my mean, 24.2. I plus or minus using that sign with the plus on the top and the minus on the bottom. I take the biggest difference, biggest number difference, which is 0.2, and I then look at what my units were. In this case it was volume of acid, so it's centimetres cubed, and I put that at the end of my answer.